Headbutting can be a way for animals to establish dominance or determine their rank within a social group. By engaging in headbutting contests, they can assess their strength, endurance, and fighting ability.
Hunting wild boar is a challenging and dangerous pursuit that requires special skills, experience, and equipment.
While this giant snake is known as a powerful predator that primarily feeds on a variety of prey, instances of anacondas attacking adult cows, as shown in this video, are uncommon and not typical behavior for these snakes.
This clip shows how a brave German shepherd escapes a dangerous leopard and becomes the ultimate survivor.
This clip shows a brutal killing in the animal kingdom. An adult male lion overpowered the intruder and ultimately killed him. One of the reasons male lions may kill young lions is to establish dominance over a pride.
Attacks its prey with precision and incredible power. Eagles, masters of the skies, and unique high-flying predators equipped with excellent keen eyesight, this majestic bird of prey can spot their prey up to 3 miles away.
This mysterious and captivating creature is a nocturnal animal found throughout Southeast Asia. They are able to disguise themselves perfectly in trees while resting. Residents call it kubong.
In a world where only the strongest survive, one creature reigns supreme: the rulers of the savannah. Lions, the real king of beasts.
Giraffes boast remarkable strength and agility in their legs, capable of repelling even the most formidable predators.
The male lion drags a dead wildebeest out of the water. The wildebeest, as prey, is an important source of food for the lions. Yeah, they need each other for the delicate balance of the ecosystem.
Nature is a battleground, and only the strong survive. But when a buffalo and a lion meet, it's a showdown like no other. In this clip, we will witness the sheer power of the buffalo's horns as they take down the king of the jungle.
The leopard, one of the big cat, has a particular hatred for baboons. This is not only because of their hunting prowess, but also because baboons pose a threat to their young by sometimes kidnapping their cubs and stealing their kill.
Leopards are renowned for their exceptional hunting abilities and physical prowess, making them one of the most dominant predators in the animal world.
During a period of drought, these animals face life-threatening challenges as they strive to access even the smallest droplets of water. This baboon is trapped by one of the most powerful bites on the planet. It's nearly impossible for the baboon to break free.
This video captures a rare and astonishing moment of a huge male lion crashing into a car during a fight.
The Komodo dragon is one of the world's most venomous reptiles. It is capable of killing humans within hours of a bite. Staying away is the right choice.
This golden eagle is one of the largest raptors in the world. In this clip you can see how the eagle tries to grab a running fox. A massive talon of the eagle delivered accurate blows to the fox, leaving it unable to escape.
This terrible footage shows a leopard emerges from the shadows and attacks a sleeping German shepherd. With all its might, it fights back and the leopard, surprised, releases its grip and flees the scene.
This clan of hyenas made a gruesome display of their dominance by brutally bullying and killing a leopard. The savage incident serves as a reminder of the brutal reality of survival in the wild, where only the strongest can claim victory.
The wildebeest's strength and agility make it a formidable opponent. They are large and powerful animals that is native to the savannas of Africa.
Rhino looks calm, but they are naturally aggressive and territorial creatures. When they get angry, they can be a force to be reckoned with. Rhinos defend their space when they feel threatened. They are also known to charge at perceived threats such as vehicles, humans, or other animals that come too close to them.
We frequently witness incidents where dangerous animals encroach upon residential areas due to the shrinking of their natural habitats, compelling them to seek prey outside. It's a distressing reality.